In the last few years, the most exciting phones are the ones that fold and unfold. They are innovative, they are cool, and now they've come of age. Hi, I'm MICHAELJOSH, your gadget matchmaker, and over the last decade, I've made it my job to show people around the world that tech can be easy, fun, and exciting. On this channel, I give you special access to the products I review, the events I attend, and all the exciting people I get to meet along the way. And more importantly, I help you find the right gadget to match your needs. This is our first look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. For the uninitiated, the Samsung Galaxy Fold is about two things: productivity and performance. When folded, it's like a long candy bar smartphone with a screen in front called the cover display. So you can do things that you normally would do on a regular smartphone. When unfolded, it opens up to a bigger display, like a tablet, opening up to more possibilities when it comes to work and play. Now on its fourth generation, Samsung promises upgrades that aren't the sexiest, but are upgrades that are necessary. So while last year's Z Fold 3 and the new Z Fold 4 look pretty much the same, the subtle changes Samsung has made this year make for the best fold experience yet. This year, the focus is on making it more portable without sacrificing the big display. The cover screen is wider and more usable now. This makes it easier to scroll or text one-handed. The main screen also got an upgrade. It's now 3mm wider and with smaller bezels, thanks to a new slimmer hinge design. All of these changes make the Z Fold 4 lighter. But Samsung also promises that the main screen is 45% more durable than last year's model. The under-display camera has been updated too. This one over here, if you can even see it. This is how it looked like on last year's Z Fold 3. Notice this year it's made to blend in more. Oh, and the main screen on the Z Fold 4 still has S Pen support, and both the S Pen Pro and S Pen Fold Edition are compatible. There's also a standing cover with pen case. The S Pen holder slots in here at the back, and this is a separate $90 purchase. And we don't have footage of it right now, but you could also pop in a stand for your phone. If you remember from my Galaxy Z Fold 3 review, there were a few notable multitasking improvements. This year, Samsung has refined the experience even more. There's a redesigned taskbar, like a dock, making it easier to launch another app while you have one open. From there, you can now drag and drop up to 3 apps to open a new window, and pair 3 apps to open together. Samsung says apps like Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom are all optimized for the Fold's form factor. Which makes a lot of sense because the kind of person who would buy a Galaxy Z Fold 4 would probably make a lot of video calls for work. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 inherits many of the S22 series' camera features: a 50-megapixel wide-angle lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. Also coming to the Z Fold 4 is nightography, which means better night shots. Suffice to say, all of this is a welcome improvement since last year's Z Fold 3 had the same rear cameras as the Z Fold 2. And it didn't quite perform as well in low light as I would have liked. Now, as always, we'll be putting the Z Fold 4's cameras through its paces, so make sure you're subscribed to this channel so that you can check out our review video as soon as we publish. Battery capacity stays the same at 4,400 milliamp hours, and Samsung promises a 50% charge in 30 minutes. This next bit is something I always love to hear. Samsung is designing key components for the new Galaxy Z Fold 4, the Z Flip 4, as well as the new Galaxy Buds Pro using repurposed fishing nets that could otherwise end up in the ocean. Packaging for the new foldables are also going to be made with 100% recycled paper and less single-use plastics, helping Samsung reach its goal to eliminate single-use plastics in all of its mobile packaging by 2025. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be available starting at $1799.99 in 3 colors, gray green, beige, and phantom black. If you're looking for a 1 terabyte model, as well as burgundy, it will be available exclusively on Samsung.com. Pre-orders begin today, August 10th, and if you do pre-order, you're eligible for a memory upgrade, which means if you order, say, the 256GB model, then you will get the 512GB model instead. You could also get up to $1,000 off with an eligible trade-in, and will also receive a free standing cover with pen case, along with a $100 Samsung credit. I'll put pre-order links down below. If you'd like to learn more about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, whether you should upgrade from a Z Fold 2 or Z Fold 3, or if you should actually take the plunge and actually get your first foldable, we'll be answering all of those questions in our review video. So make sure you're subscribed to this YouTube channel, and while you're at it, hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we publish. Follow me on social media for all the behind-the-scenes fun stuff, and for news and updates, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by.